5 prisoners escaped from the Golden Grove prison at Aruca at around 10:30 last night. One has since been recaptured and the others remain at large. The prison service says when the jailbreak occurred, the police was immediately contacted and a massive search exercise was initiated. At around midnight, one of the escapees were recaptured in Dinsley area and is currently under police guard. The prison service says it will investigate the circumstances of the breach of security and has engaged the assistance of all relevant agencies to apprehend escapees as quickly as possible.